discuss about Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is introduced by Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj. He himself produced 17 sutras and 13 upsutras. He tried to make mathematics so simple that people can easily understand it and they can easily calculate so fast. In fact, these sutras are most useful for having the capacity increasing very highly for calculation. We shall discuss one by one which are useful for the common public. Let us see how they are to be useful to the public. In fact, he himself had generated these sutras and upsutras, and he had maintained them and used them in such a way that the calculation capacity of the person is increased very highly. Let us see today how it helps us in increasing our calculation capacity. It is not only useful in arithmetic, but it is also used in algebra, in geometry, even in calculus also. Swamiji, when he wrote the book, he was sick, though he tried his level best. He was having very less time to write the book, and so at many places he had written. We shall discuss his own word. But before he discussed his own word, he left the world, and people waited for when the later on will be discussed. Now it is the duty of the people who are following it, who are studying it, to finish the work which is put up for later on. Let us start with the addition. Generally, we are habituated to add one by one. We speak many things. For example, if you want to say 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8, we speak 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 and go on. As if 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 plus 8 is 24. By this way, we are wasting much more time in speaking all the steps. As example, 4 plus 5, as if that our mind is not ready and mind is to be ordered to carry out the addition. In spite of that, if we start like this, only we say we will speak the result 4, 9, 16, 24. See, by this way, much more time is saved and our addition capacity is increased 4 times. Suppose this addition is to be carried out. See how we should calculate it. 6, 11, 17, 21, 2, 9, 17, 21, 24. You can see how fast we can finish all the additions. In spite of seeing all these 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, many things are repeated. In spite of that, this becomes very simple. Question is now, sometimes we say 11, 17, 17 plus 4, then I shall show you the way of splitting it. Child should be taught what is 9. We know it is 8 plus 1. It is 7 plus 2. 6 plus 3. 5 plus 4. Then 4 plus 5. Same it is. And so there are 4 ways by which we can make 9. And so if 9 is to be added, you can add 8 and 1 will remain. You can add 7 and 2 can remain. 6 plus 3. For example, I can say that to add 19 to 18 or 18 to 9 is the same. We start this way. 18, we know if 2 is added to 18, it will make 20. And so we take 2 from here. We know it is 2 plus 7. And so 18, 20, 27, 2 and 1, 3. So whenever you are finding a difficulty in addition, split it by this way. Same way, 8 also, it can be said it is 7 plus 1, then 6 plus 2 or 5 plus 3. And so, in the beginning, if it is taught how to split a number, only the number from 1 to 9. Only the number from 1 to 9, how they are. And only you have to, not for 1, 2, 3, 4, but only you have to go up to 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And so then 9, after that 8, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3, that's all. Same way, if you take 7, it is 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 4 plus 3. So by this way, the addition of the numbers to make 6, 7 or 8 or 9, it should be taught. Then the child can split it out. All the additions can be done orally. So he don't need to add all the separately. So for example, nine, 10, 15, 20, 21, 29, 2, 3, 10, 13, 16, 1, 3, 11, 15, 20. You can see the addition becomes so fast. So if the child is taught in this way, then he will understand how to add the numbers very fast. So his addition capacity will be by that way increased. Okay. Another thing is, say, in the beginning, the small children add and they are finding difficulty in adding numbers, making bigger and bigger one. For example, so beginners should be taught. See, 8 and 7, 15. You can say 1 is here, remains 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 1 here and 4 here. 4 and 8 is 12. 1 here and 2 here. 2, 5 is 7. So whenever there are two numbers, 1 will be taken on the left. So he said 8, 15, 5, 14, 4, 12, 2, 7, 6, 3, 9, 10, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 2. 1 and 1 is 2. In the beginning, the beginners will be helped by this method, putting the dot on the left, so it carries 1. So 1 is to be added, and by this way he is increasing the capacity of the addition. So there are the two ways in which one is a splitting one, here addition by putting the dots on the left, and third one we said only result of the addition will be circled, nothing more. For example, here also I started 8, 15, 5, I put 1 here, 14, 4, 12, 2, 7, 3, 9, 10, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 1. 2, see, you should remember this way. So 12 is 1 here, and so 1 and 2. Should remember that we are not taking carry on hand at all. We are putting the dot on the left, and addition can be easily carried out so speedily. Before going for subtraction,